Superlist versus Notion. Which productivity tool is right for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are comparing Superlist and Notion, two popular productivity tools designed to help you organize your tasks, notes, and projects. While both offer powerful features, they cater to slightly different user needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know which one is best fit for your personal or team productivity. Now, let's dive in. What is Superlist? Superlist is a task management and collaboration tool that helps you organize projects, tasks, and goals with an easy-to-use interface. It focuses on helping teams collaborate efficiently and track work in real time. With features like smart tasks, project boards, and a sleek interface, Superlist is designed to streamline team workflows and personal productivity. On the other hand, what is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, database, calendars, and collaboration features. It's incredibly customizable, allowing users to build personalized systems for managing their work and life. Notion is best known for its flexibility, enabling you to design your workspace to fit your exact needs, from task management to knowledge-based creation. So let's look at some key differences when it comes onto both platforms. For example, Notion is an all-in-one workspace, allowing users to build and manage notes, tasks, database, and more in a highly flexible way. It's perfect for people who want a versatile tool that can handle everything from personal note-taking to complex project management. And on the other hand, Superlist is focused on task management and team collaboration, making it ideal for users who need an easy-to-use tool to manage projects and stay on top of tasks with others. So I would say the target audience for Superlist it is mainly designed for teams and professionals who need a task and project management tool with collaborative features and streamlined interface. On the other hand, I would say Notion is perfect for individuals and teams who want a customizable workspace to organize tasks, documents, knowledge, and workflows in one place. And if we were to talk about ease of use, Notion is a highly flexible tool that requires a bit of setup and customization, but once you get the hang of it, it can be tailored to fit any workflow. And on the other hand, Superlist offers a simple and intuitive interface with powerful task management tools, making it easy for teams to get started and collaborate. Now, what is the price differences? For example, with Superlist, you can get started for completely free, and on their monthly plan, you will be paying $10 per month for the Pro plan, and it goes up to $12 per month per team member. And on the other hand, with Notion, you can also get started for completely free, and on their monthly plan, you'll be paying $12 per month, and it goes up to $18 per month. So in summary, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Notion if you want an all-in-one workspace that's fully customizable. It's ideal for individuals or teams who need a flexible tool to organize not just tasks but also notes, documents, and complex workflows. And on the other hand, I would recommend you choose Superlist if you need a task management tool that's simple, intuitive, and organized for team collaboration. It's great for users who need to stay organized and keep projects moving smoothly without getting bogged down by too many customization options. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did,